This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know that the foods you eat can have a significant impact on your cholesterol levels and overall heart health? It's true. And today, we're diving into the world of fruits, nature's candy, that can help you lower your cholesterol and reduce your risk of stroke. So get ready to snack smart and make some delicious, heart-healthy choices. Get ready to snack smart. Fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help you maintain a healthy heart. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you can enjoy tasty snacks while also taking care of your cardiovascular health. Let's explore these amazing fruits together. All right, folks, today we're talking about 5 fruits that can help lower your cholesterol and reduce stroke risk. These fruits are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your heart. By adding them to your daily diet, you can take a proactive step towards better health. So, let's dive in and discover the power of these heart-healthy fruits. First up, apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits around the world, and for good reason. They are not only tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your heart. Let's take a closer look at why apples are such a fantastic choice for lowering cholesterol and reducing stroke risk. An apple a day really can keep the doctor away. This age-old saying holds a lot of truth. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which helps to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in your bloodstream. By binding to cholesterol in your digestive system, pectin helps to flush it out of your body, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This can significantly lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Packed with soluble fiber, they help flush out that bad cholesterol. But that's not all. Apples are also a great source of antioxidants, such as quercetin and flavonoids, which help to protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. This means that apples not only help to lower your cholesterol levels, but also protect your arteries from damage, keeping your heart healthy and strong. Next, berries. Berries are another fantastic fruit that can help to lower cholesterol and reduce stroke risk. These small, colorful fruits are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can benefit your heart in numerous ways. Let's explore the different types of berries and their heart-healthy benefits. Blueberries, strawberries, you name it. Berries come in many varieties, each with its own unique set of health benefits. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all excellent choices for promoting heart health. These berries are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a powerful addition to your diet. They're full of antioxidants and fiber. Plus, they taste amazing. Berries are particularly high in soluble fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing its absorption. Additionally, the antioxidants found in berries, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, help to protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative stress. This means that berries not only help to lower your cholesterol levels, but also protect your heart from damage, keeping it healthy and strong. Third, avocados. Just for toast. Avocados are a unique fruit that is rich in healthy fats, making them an excellent choice for promoting heart health. Let's take a closer look at why avocados are such a fantastic addition to your diet. High in healthy fats, they boost your good cholesterol while lowering the bad. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are known to increase levels of good cholesterol, HDL, while lowering levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. This can help to reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, avocados are a great source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart. Fourth, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are another excellent choice for promoting heart health. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your heart. Let's explore the heart-healthy benefits of citrus fruits. Loaded with vitamin C and fiber, they keep your blood vessels happy. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative stress. Additionally, citrus fruits are high in soluble fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing its absorption. This means that citrus fruits not only help to lower your cholesterol levels, but also protect your heart from damage, keeping it healthy and strong. Lastly, grapes. Grapes are another fantastic fruit that can help to lower cholesterol and reduce stroke risk. These small, juicy fruits are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can benefit your heart in numerous ways. Let's take a closer look at the heart-healthy benefits of grapes. These little powerhouses have compounds that lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Grapes are rich in polyphenols, such as resveratrol, which help to protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative stress. Additionally, grapes are high in soluble fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing its absorption. This means that grapes not only help to lower your cholesterol levels, but also protect your heart from damage, keeping it healthy and strong. So, grab these fruits on your next grocery run. By incorporating these heart-healthy fruits into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better health. Not only are these fruits delicious and nutritious, but they also offer numerous benefits for your heart. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some apples, berries, avocados, citrus fruits, and grapes. Your heart will thank you. Your heart will thank you. By making these simple changes to your diet, you can enjoy delicious, heart-healthy snacks while also taking care of your cardiovascular health. So go ahead and indulge in these amazing fruits, knowing that you're doing something great for your heart. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone. By sharing this video with your friends and family, you can help spread the word about the importance of heart-healthy eating. Together, we can make a difference and promote better health for everyone. So, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on how to stay healthy and happy. Stay healthy, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Now that we've explored the 5 fruits that can help lower cholesterol and reduce stroke risk, let's dive into some additional tips and lifestyle changes that can further support your heart health. In this chapter, we'll share valuable insights and practical advice to help you take control of your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of stroke. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. While fruits are a fantastic addition to your diet, it's essential to include a variety of nutrient-rich foods to support overall heart health. Incorporate plenty of vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. This balanced approach ensures that you get all the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Next, focus on fiber. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, beans, lentils, and certain fruits, can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing its absorption. Aim to include more fiber-rich foods in your diet to support healthy cholesterol levels. Don't forget about healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel into your diet. These fats can help increase levels of good cholesterol, HDL, while lowering levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, promoting heart health. Regular physical activity is also crucial. Engaging in regular exercise, such as walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling, can help improve your cardiovascular health and lower cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Managing stress is another important factor. Chronic stress can negatively impact your heart health and cholesterol levels. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature to help manage stress and support your heart. Lastly, consider quitting smoking and limiting alcohol intake. Smoking can raise your bad cholesterol levels and damage your blood vessels, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Limiting alcohol consumption can also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and overall heart health. By incorporating these additional tips and lifestyle changes into your daily routine, you can take a proactive approach to lowering your cholesterol levels and reducing your risk of stroke. Remember, every small change counts, and your heart will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone. By sharing this video with your friends and family, you can help spread the word about the importance of heart-healthy living. Together, we can make a difference and promote better health for everyone. So be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on how to stay healthy and happy. Stay healthy, everyone. Welcome back to our series on heart health. In this chapter, we will highlight the foods that you should avoid to maintain a healthy heart and lower cholesterol levels. By being mindful of what you consume, you can take proactive steps to support your heart and overall well-being. First on the list are processed foods. These include items like prepackaged snacks, frozen dinners, and processed meats. These foods often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, sodium, and preservatives, which can contribute to higher cholesterol levels and increased risk of heart disease. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible to nourish your body and protect your heart. Next, let's talk about sugary drinks. Beverages such as soda, energy drinks, and sweetened coffee drinks are loaded with added sugars, which can lead to weight gain and increased cholesterol levels. Instead, choose water, herbal teas, or homemade smoothies with no added sugar to stay hydrated and support your heart health. Another category to avoid is refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, pastries, and many types of pasta can cause spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain and higher cholesterol. Whole grain alternatives, such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa, are much better options for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Trans fats are another major culprit. Found in many fried foods, baked goods, and margarine, trans fats can raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, leading to an increased risk of heart disease. Always check food labels and avoid products that contain partially hydrogenated oils. Lastly, be cautious with high sodium foods. Excessive salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Processed foods, canned soups, and fast food items are often high in sodium. Opt for fresh, home-cooked meals and use herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt. By avoiding these unhealthy foods and making more heart-friendly choices, you can take significant steps towards lowering your cholesterol and maintaining a healthy heart. Remember, every small change can make a big difference in your overall health. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can promote heart-healthy living and make a positive impact on our well-being. Stay healthy, everyone. Welcome back to our series on heart health. In this chapter, we will cover various exercises that can help improve your heart health and lower cholesterol levels. Consistent physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being. First on our list is cardiovascular exercise. Activities such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming are excellent ways to get your heart pumping. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio. These exercises help improve blood circulation, strengthen the heart muscle, and reduce bad cholesterol, LDL levels. Next, let's talk about strength training. Incorporating weightlifting, resistance band exercises, or bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats into your routine can help build muscle and improve heart health. Strength training not only helps in reducing body fat, but also boosts your metabolism, which can contribute to better cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 2 days of strength training per week. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is another effective method for improving cardiovascular health. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of training can help burn more calories in less time, improve heart function, and lower cholesterol levels. Try incorporating a few HIIT sessions into your weekly routine for maximum benefits. Don't forget about flexibility and balance exercises. Yoga and Pilates are great options that not only enhance flexibility and balance, but also reduce stress levels, which is beneficial for heart health. These exercises can help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular function. Aim to include flexibility and balance exercises in your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week. Lastly, make sure to stay active throughout the day. Simple habits like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for short walks during breaks, and standing up and stretching regularly can make a big difference. Reducing sedentary behavior and incorporating more movement into your daily life can help maintain a healthy heart and lower cholesterol levels. Remember, the key to improving heart health through exercise is consistency. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Every step you take towards a more active lifestyle is a step towards a healthier heart. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can promote heart-healthy living and make a positive impact on our well-being. Stay active, everyone.